It is one of the most complex engineering challenges in the world. It is one of the most promising forms of renewable power on Earth. It is wind energy, and today it is becoming more viable than ever before. From aerodynamics to site selection, engineers are harnessing wind power with ever-increasing levels of efficiency and reliability. They are significantly reducing the unit energy cost of wind and delivering greater return on investment. They are answering the demand for more sustainable sources of energy around the world. Perhaps most of all, engineers are using simulation solutions to advance their ideas and unlock the potential of wind. They are coming to Ansys to innovate the future.
Simulation is necessary within the product development process because the systems we develop are very complex with very high added value, and the design effort tends to be very intensive.
We are using Ansys once to model the global structure and the global mechanical behavior of our turbine, and to calculate the stiffness, the eigenfrequencies, the deformation of and how all structural components react with each other.
If we didn't use Ansys, then we'll have to do a lot of testing, and these are expensive components, expensive materials, so I'm sure that the cost of development would be really high.
You know, to get 30 to 50% reduction in product development time, cycle time, is not out of the question at all.
If we have tools that can allow us to anticipate the results of physical prototyping even before actually building them.
Since we have such huge structural components, and testing is very expensive and time-consuming and has to be reduced to a minimum, let's say. And therefore it's very important to have accurate results available from our software, which we get from Ansys.
With Ansys, it's possible to combine the two fields of computational fluid dynamics and the finite element analysis.
The cross-discipline approach of Ansys, in my opinion, is the most powerful feature that we have in that tool.
Basically, we are trying to get the product out the door as soon as possible.
We want to be a step ahead by using simulation to get that jump, by getting the product out faster, and most importantly, to be able to be in the ballpark in terms of cost as well as overall performance.
For centuries, people have harnessed the power of wind. Today, with the help of simulation, engineers are designing solutions that deliver greater efficiency levels and improved return on investment. Through comprehensive multi-physics, they are turning the promise of wind into a valuable resource that can change our world. Ansys, realize your product promise.